Hey, it's me, Naturally TC, coming at you with this Flexirod video. Listen, like and subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I post and you can get these how-tos and these good tips on how to care for your natural hair. Now, my client has come in. We actually colored her hair, I think about 2 weeks ago, and we wanted to try this rod twist on her hair because we both have been seeing all you guys, you miraculous, amazing uh, influencers that have been doing these flexi rod twists with only 10 rods. That's what I said. 10, 10, 10 rods. And we wanted to do it ourselves. Now, that's a leave in conditioner by Design Essential. You can find it in the description. Order you some. It's super light, it's not heavy at all. If you're looking for like a daily refresher that you can use on your hair, that does not leave a lot of buildup. It's not super heavy. I'm telling you, it's almost like water. It probably is water. Don't pay me no mind, y'all. Don't pay me no mind. But listen, okay, so these rod twists that we're going to do, or flexi rods that we're going to put in, I'm going to do it on her dry hair. We are going to use a foam to curl it with. Look at me in the background. Ciao. If I don't lose these 15 to 20 pounds by the end of June, ain't that crazy, y'all? Like, we be wanting to lose like 30 pounds in 30 days. That's a pound a day. It's not even realistic unless you go on a complete water fast, like 40 days, 40 nights. But you know what? I be trying to like fast and then lose weight. And then it's like, okay, fasting is really for spiritual reasons and losing weight is for another reason. But when you try to combine them two, they don't work. So you have to decide either you're going to fast and pray or you're going to lose weight. But don't fast to lose weight and then be talking about you fasting unto the Lord, but you really focused on losing weight. Okay, off subject. Okay, again, here you see me using the leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner. I'm detangling my client's hair. I do start from the ends and go up, and then once I get enough of it detangled from the ends, I do go from the top and comb the rest down and then detangle. I hope that makes sense. Like I start at the ends, detangle, and then I go to the top and I pull it down, pull those tangles down, and then pull them all the way through to the ends. And as you can see, I continue to detangle the ends as I twist because um, when you're twisting and I'm going to prepare for the blow dry, I don't want to deal with tangles, right? Don't want to deal with tangles. So I go ahead and take care of that. Um, she did have some, I think, 2-strand twist in there. So sometimes, you'll run into like a little leftover 2-strand twist, and it's best to detangle with your fingers if you run into those. But yeah, starting at the ends, detangle. I'm gonna go up to the root. See, comb that down, comb that down, comb those tangles down, and then go back to the ends. And this is a detangler brush. Now, the I find like the brush is flexible, but it's a little bit, I don't know, it doesn't give me like the complete security that I need when I'm detangling. Um, it kind of gives, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know. Do you guys know how to describe it? Like, I don't know. I don't like that it's not as firm. And I think that's it's probably purposely designed that way, to give the flexibility and not like rip the hair or put too much tension on the hair. But I actually like a firm where I feel like I am controlling the detangle, not the um, the brush controlling the detangle. I was looking at a message. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so we're going to detangle. Then I'm going to put her under the dryer for like only 15-20 minutes. And then I'm going to blow dry her out. So we'll see that. Okay, so now we go in with the blow dry. Um, my blow dryer is not like super hot. This blow dryer is just a regular blow dryer. It's not a professional blow dryer, and I use it because it doesn't get like super hot. And for this style, I am really just trying to get the water out, not press her hair out, because she's going to go back under the dryer with the Flexirod. So as you can see, I am blow drying her hair. Um, Same thing as when you're detangling. Start at those ends because the hair is already previously detangled. It works a little bit smoother as far as when you go in for the blow dry. So that's a good blow drying tip for you guys. Like, don't blow dry your hair from like soaking wet. It is better if you don't have a sit under dryer at home. I would suggest that you twist up your hair and let it air dry for a bit and then go back in with the blow dryer. And if it depends on, I guess, what type of textured hair that you have, because my mom my mom's hair is a lot softer and is actually shorter than this. So what I do with her is she'll shampoo her hair and then um she let it air dry for a while before I go in and blow dry it, which really does help you guys. Like, instead of blow drying your hair from just soaking wet to dry, like, you don't want to do that. It's just too much on your hair, and it's really more work, honestly, because you're gonna really be blow drying forever. All right, so now you see I go in with the foam. I want to say we use, yeah, this is definitely the do. They're of, nope, actually I'm using Main Life Studio. Oh, I'm so sorry. The Master Stylist, I do apologize. You know what? Because I did use the Main Life Studio coconut foam. I will leave that down in the description as well. That you could go ahead and cop that, get that, and put it in your arsenal. Now, this foam is not, see, I was thinking about the Dew, but the Dew's foam um, leaves the hair a bit more, I don't want to say crunchy, but it has a harder hold. And I wanted a really flexible hold. I was a little bit um, cautious about the hold being too crunchy. So I went ahead and used the Main Life coconut foam because I know that one gives a soft hold and it's nourishing, it's moisturizing, and I wouldn't have to worry about it being too much of a hold. So now as I go in, as you notice, when I'm twisting the hair around the Flexirod, I am also twisting the hair. Okay, so I'm putting the hair is going around the Flexirod, and then I'm also twisting the hair while I'm twisting it around the Flexirod. Y'all, I know that sounds like super confusing, but man, I wish I could explain it to you more. That Main Life coconut foam, get that. So I'm putting it on there. Let me see if I can get you guys a closer view. Hold up. Okay, so twist, I'm twisting as I'm twisting. And don't worry about the ends. The ends are going to stick because of the foam. I know some people are actually putting like a scrunchie on the ends to hold the ends. But if you use enough product, the ends will stick. Now, I'm going to point out something um, that I just saw is like the whole hair shaft from root to end needs to be saturated with the foam. Okay. Now I had to blow dry my client because she did not want to sit under the dryer any longer. This style literally takes more than 2 hours to dry under the dryer, unless your hair is shorter and not as thick. You know what I'm saying? So just prepare yourself that your dryer time is going to be extreme, unless if you do this on yourself, that you can leave it overnight and let it dry overnight, which is most likely what a lot of people are doing. But if you go to a salon to get it done, just expect to sit under the dryer more than 2 hours. So keep that in mind ahead of time. Now, as I'm separating, I do have some oil on my hands to seal the process and seal up those ends. Now, this client is actually a model. I did not charge her for this service because I have not perfected it yet. So she's going to come back and I am going to not use just 10 Flexirods because uh, no, it has to be more Flexirods, especially doing it the same day and sitting under the dryer. I think the sections being smaller will actually allow the hair to dry faster. She still got a very cute look. Um, but yeah, no, you got to sit under the dryer longer than 2 hours, and these sections need to be a lot smaller. But we did love her hair. We loved how big it was. And that's what she is trying to achieve because her hair is quite fine. Even though she has a lot of it, it's fine. And so doing like twist outs or any smaller rods will like not allow her hair to be as big. So our goal is to let the hair be big. So next time she comes in, I'm gonna make sure that I section it a bit more. But here's the finished look, y'all. This looks cute. It looks so cute. It was giving what it was supposed to give. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, so we're talking, you see, us talking back and forth. Like I like to talk to my clients. I want my clients to be able to maintain their hair at home and do what they need to do. But that dryer time is a must, y'all. Dryer time is a must. But that big hair, we did achieve it. Like and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Love y'all.